Guru Nation. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. So I've been scouring the social medias looking for content for you guys to make. So TikTok, I've been going through my TikToks, I've been going through my Instagram, LinkedIn, everything, right? And one thing I discover is like it's a lot of questions about job interviews. And I also get people asking me like, hey, can you prepare me? Can you help prepare me for a job interview? And the answer is it's extremely difficult to do that in a half an hour time. So I think this video will help you more than I can ever help you, even if we did one-on-one. There's two types of, before we get into the three types of questions they're going to ask you in the interview for any clinical research job, there's two situations, all right? There's when they already know you don't have much experience for that position, or when they think you do. So, and again, never lie in your resume. It's not good. You're not going to do well in the interview. You're going to get yourself blacklisted from the industry. So, when they know that you don't have the experience for that job, the questions become behavioral. So, how do you behave in certain situations? Not necessarily technical skill or situational questions, but behavioral questions. And then they always ask, or at least most of them always ask, what your long-term goals are. So you guessed it. Those are the three type of questions that they ask in job interviews. It's technical for when they think that you have experience for that particular job. So questions might be, if you're monitoring a site and the coordinator is not there when you show up, what do you do? Or if you're monitoring a site and the PI is not there, what do you do? Or if you're a coordinator and your patient doesn't show up for a visit, what do you do? Or you're a coordinator and your monitor is asking you to respond to a database lock, but you have a patient there. What do you do? Those are like technical. And that last one was kind of a mix of technical and behavioral. The next type of question is behavioral. It's less specific about like, what do you do in this particular job situation? It's more about how do you behave in workplace environments. So what do you do? This is a common one I got. What do you do when you have two direct reports that you report to, and both of them are telling you something is urgent and they need your help for it right now? What do you do? I had somebody message me that question just a few months ago, actually. And that's more of it in the CRO and sponsor world. Another one might be a colleague approached you for advice on something they're working on, but you also have your own things going on and you're busy. What do you do? How do you handle that situation? Both the technical and the behavioral ones can follow the STAR method. So situation, task, action, and response. So either they paint the situation or you paint it, and then you explain the task, and then what was your action. That's really like the meat of your response, the action, and then the response or the result. The third type of question that they're going to ask you are your long-term career goals. But why? Because they want to make sure that they're investing, especially for the ones that don't have experience with the positions that they're about to hire for. They understand that they're going to invest their time into you, so they want to make sure that you're going to stick around and not jump at the next opportunity because you realized you don't like this job or this position. So those are the three type of interview questions they're going to ask in most clinical research job interviews. Let me know if I'm missing anything in the comments. The stuff is tough. It's hard to prepare for it other than having lived through some of these things, whether it's technical or behavioral. And then the long-term career goals, that's all you. But every company is also looking for their right answer as well, what they want to hear. And it's hard for you to predict what they want to hear. So just be honest. Good luck, Guru Nation. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.